Good morning. How are you doing today?
Well, how are you?
All right. It's always great to see you.
It is always my pleasure.
All right. So where are we on discovery?
Judge, there is still some outstanding discovery. It's come to our attention that there is possible voice messages made from the defendant to the to his, or I'm sorry, from the complaining witness to his wife that may be exculpatory. So we need some time to reach out to the victims.
In a quiet courtroom, the day begins with pleasantries. But the tone quickly shifts to serious matters. The judge inquires about discovery. And new developments arise. A potential game changer is revealed: voice messages, possibly sent from the alleged victim to the defendant's wife, might contain exculpatory evidence. The defense urgently needs more time to reach out and retrieve them. Meanwhile, immigration concerns surface. The defendant is not a U.S. citizen, prompting the judge to appoint an immigration attorney. Every move from this point carries added weight. Subscribe to our channel for ongoing coverage of this unfolding courtroom story.
Wife in this case who has the messages.
All right. And is there any CPS records?
I don't believe so.
No children involved at all. No.
So have you tendered an offer or no?
Not at this time.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset on Ramirez Frosto.
September 19th.
All right, September 19th. And is he a citizen?
He is not, judged, and I was gonna ask you, I know you do appoint immigration attorney as needed.
All right, we need an immigration attorney on that one.
The case presses forward. The prosecution confirms that no CPS records are involved and no plea offer has been submitted yet. The judge remains composed, but firm delays can't go on indefinitely. A 30-day reset is granted for Ramirez Frosto, buying the defense precious time to gather crucial evidence and consider their next move. But time is not on their side. The added complexity of immigration status hangs in the air. For Frosto, the next court date may determine more than just guilt or innocence. It could change his future entirely.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, who's here on Alanezi?
Your Honor, have you excused?
Yes, thank you.
Now, the court turns its focus to a new name, Alan Nessie. The defense is clear. They're ready for trial. But readiness doesn't always align with reality. The judge schedules a plea deadline for the week of August 21st. There's still a chance to avoid trial, but decisions must be made quickly. Then comes a critical question. Does the defendant need an interpreter? I do Arabic, he says. With hesitation, the court pauses. Language barriers, often overlooked, can become legal landmines. Justice demands understanding, and in this case, every word spoken matters more than ever before.
Are we on this case?
We just need a trial setting, Judge.
All right. So Ms. Ferguson, on Alanezi, if we can recall this back, the week of August 21st for plea deadline date, please.
I can do the 21st or 22nd
21st or 22nd.
or the 24th.
The 21st is fine. What would the trial setting be?
Oh, you'll get that later.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to come back on August 21st. That's going to be your plea deadline date. At that time, you need to let
The need for interpretation becomes clearer. So does the man behind the case. Originally from Baghdad, Iraq, the defendant shares a part of his story. A surprising connection surfaces. The judge mentions her brother has been there too. For a brief moment, the courtroom softens, but the task at hand remains: a plea deadline. And trial date must be locked in. The delays are mounting, and the defendant expresses the burden of his long wait. It's a reminder that while the law moves methodically, its impact is deeply personal. A trial or a plea his time to decide is near.
at the court. Do you need an interpreter?
Yeah, I need translator.
All right, so
Talking to an age.
Yeah, I do like 60%.
All right, Arabic.
Yeah, I do Arabic.
All right,
يلا
so,
يلا امشي. That's the last time he told me.
yalla, yalla. All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
reset this in 30 days for plea deadline date. Well, give me a jury trial date and a plea deadline date.
Let me look at the.
Frustration finally spills into the open. I locked up January. Just reset, 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 the defendant says, visibly tired. It's not just about scheduling anymore, it's about justice delayed, the judge recognizing the weariness and the stakes.
And has he spoken to the immigration attorney?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Where are you from originally?
Iraq, Baghdad.
Okay. My brother has been there.
I can use September.
I actually have a lot of family members who've been there.
I locked up January, just reset, like.
Oh, no, you're going to be going to trial or either you're going to enter a plea. What date?
I can do.
Draws a line. September 12th is set as both the plea deadline and the jury trial date. No more extensions. The system, often slow, must now move forward. An Arabic interpreter will be present to ensure every detail is understood. This date won't just close a chapter, it may decide a future. The clock is ticking, and the courtroom's patience has reached its limit.
All right. And is there any CPS records?
I don't believe so.
No children involved at all. No.
So have you tendered an offer or no?
Not at this time.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset on Ramirez Frosto.
I can do September 19th.
All right, September 19th. And is he a citizen?
He is not, Judge, and I was gonna ask you, I know you do appoint immigration attorney as needed.
All right, we need an immigration attorney on that one.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
In a courtroom, small details carry big consequences. Norman, the clerk, is instructed to file an official interpreter notice. It may seem procedural, but this step ensures the defendant isn't lost in translation. Without proper language support, legal rights could be compromised. The judge emphasizes that an interpreter must be present because come trial day, there will be no room for misunderstanding. Every form, every motion, every notice matters in a legal system built on precision. It's these quiet moments, often overlooked, that lay the foundation for a fair trial. Justice, after all, must be clearly heard and clearly understood.
60%.
All right, Arabic.
Yeah, I do Arabic.
All right,
يلا
so,
يلا امشي. That's the last time he told me.
yalla, yalla. All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
reset this in 30 days for plea deadline date. Well, give me a jury trial date and a plea deadline date.
Let me look at the.
And has he spoken to the immigration attorney?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Seven, the judge makes it clear. The next court date is final. Either a plea will be entered or a jury will be assembled. There's no middle ground. With immigration concerns, interpretation needs, and rising delays, the stakes are higher than ever. Every decision must now be made with care. The courtroom is no longer just a place of procedure, it's the final checkpoint before a life-altering outcome. The judge's tone sharpens. No more resets. The Arabic interpreter must be present and prepared.
And let them know the Arabic interpreter will need to be in court because either he's entering a plea or he's going to jury trial.
Thank you, Judge. Can we be excused?
Yes,
Appreciate you.
you're welcome.
From here on out, every second in court counts, and for the defendant, the weight of that is palpable. Script 8 as the courtroom session winds down. There's a shift in energy. The defense quietly thanks the judge, and the session formally ends. But then a soft gasp slips out. Oh my God, it's not loud, but it says everything. After months of waiting, uncertainty, and silence, emotion finally cracks the surface. It's a glimpse into the human side of Justice One that rarely makes it into the records for now. A trial date is set. The court has spoken. What happens next will unfold on September 12th. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for what's ahead.